You can use your account dashboard to review your Squarespace sites, domains, and profile in one place. If you have multiple sites, the dashboard is a great tool for navigating and managing them all. To access your account dashboard, go to account.squarespace.com. If you're logged into a site, go to the Home menu and click on your profile picture. The Websites tab shows every site you contribute to, including expired sites. You can identify the site by its preview image of the home page. Click on the image to open and edit the site. If you click on the three dots, you can view more details about the site and its subscriptions. Depending on your permissions, you can see a site's plan type, expiration date, G Suite subscription, and more. To make changes to any of these, click Go to Site. If you want to delete a trial or an expired site, find the site you want to delete. Click on the three dots beside the site title. Click Remove Website to delete the site. You can also reactivate an expired website. If you have an existing domain you'd like to transfer to the Squarespace platform, click on Domains, then Transfer a Domain. There's a few different options to manage your account. When you click on your profile picture, you can edit your contributor profile under Profile, change your email or password under Account and Security, get additional help, and more. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.